Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add family sharing on Steam. So the first step is to go to Steam preferences, then you'll have to go to family, and then here you'll have to simply enable this option here. Now, if your friends or the family have used their other account on Steam to log in. So basically, if they logged in using their account on your device, this one here, you'll see their account here. So as you can see, I have this account here. Now, what I have to do is simply enable this, and now they can play the games from my library. Now, if I log out and they log into their account on Steam on this device and they go to library, they'll see my games here. But keep in mind that they'll have to click on a blue button that says borrow game. So basically that's all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.